5 little frogs sat on a log, croaking in the sun near a dreamy bog. Ribbit, ribbit, one jumped high, splashed in the pond with a happy cry. 4 little frogs sat on the log, wiggling their toes near the misty fog. One did a flip with a splashy sound, plop he joined his friend in the pond below the ground. Three little frogs sat on the log, watching fireflies in the evening fog. One hopped off with a giggle so sweet into the pond with a splashy beak. Two little frogs sat on the log, playing peekaboo in the shadowy bog. One jumped off with a joyful cheer into the pond, I'm swimming here. One little frog sat on the log, all alone in the quiet bog. He looked around, then jumped into splash. Now 5 frogs swim, yippee! Woohoo! 5 little frogs splash all night, swimming around in the moon's soft light, happy and giggling, wild and free. Ribbit, ribbit, come swim with me.